Still wasting time coming up with posts, writing them manually and then copy-pasting into Telegram. It feels endless, right? Today I'll show you a way out. With the PostFox you don't just automate posting, you automate the entire content cycle. Ideas, creation and publishing all handled for you, including Telegram. The big difference: normal autoposters wait for you to provide the text. PostFox actually creates content in choosing style and topics and then publishes it automatically. You define the rules once and the system keeps going, day after day, while you focus on what really matters. In this tutorial we'll go through 4 steps. Create a new project in the PostFox and define what a Telegram channel should post. Create Telegram bot with the BotFather and grab the API token. Add that bot to a Telegram channel and copy the channel handler ID, and connect both pieces inside PostFox with the Telegram Autopost integration. By the end your channel will be running on true automation, publishing unique content without your daily input. Normally you're stuck brainstorming, writing, editing, scheduling, miss one day and the engagement drops. With PostFox you skip all of that. You set the rules once and it keeps generating and publishing for you. Let's start with creating a project in the PostFox. Inside the PostFox dashboard I'll start by creating a new project. Since I want my channel to publish posts with images, I choose the project type text plus image. Here I set my content strategy, topic and tone, and PostFox gives me powerful modules to customize automation. For example, image prompt to control exactly how the visuals look, periodic prompt to insert promo or special message every few posts. Your resources, so PostFox use my own site or links as context in the generated posts. That's just a glimpse, there are many more modules you can mix in. The project becomes the brain of the automation. Once it's set, PostFox knows what to create and keeps publishing on schedule without me lifting a finger. Next, let's set up Telegram. Open Telegram, message BotFather and type new bot. Give it a name and the username ends in bot. BotFather will send back an API key. Copy that, we'll need it soon. Now open your channel in Telegram. Add a new bot as an administrator with the permission to post. Then copy the channel's handle, like @mychannel, or the numeric chat ID if it's private. Keep this together with the API token, those two are what will plug into PostFox. Back in PostFox, go to Autoposting, Add Integration, Telegram Autoposting. Paste in your BotFather API token and the channel handle or ID. Hit save and your Telegram integration is created. Then we go to the project page, open the integrations module, click edit and select the Telegram integration we just set up. From now on, any automation in this project will publish directly into your Telegram channel. Inside the project I set my publishing schedule, pick the days of the week and the exact times when posts should go live. Now the scheduled time has arrived. I open Telegram and there it is, a brand new post automatically created and published by PostFox. No copy-paste, no wasted time. I can also see it inside my PostFox project page, complete with a 5-star rating option. Here I can quickly mark whether I like the generated post, and the system learns from my feedback to improve the future content. Want even more variety? Add multiple themes to a project or include reference resources, so PostFox can analyze competitor sites and generate smarter, more relevant posts. And if you'd like extra control, there is an optional module called Publication Verification. With it, every generated post appears in PostFox first, and you can choose Publish or Skip. By default, PostFox publishes automatically, but this option is there if you want just manual approval. This is what true automation looks like. You define your strategy once and PostFox handles the entire cycle, from generating ideas to publishing ready posts in Telegram. No daily effort, no missed days, no stress. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more automation tutorials, and try PostFox on your own Telegram channel today. Let your content run while you sleep, and I'll see you in the next video.